Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about multiplying fractions. So in my class in 4th grade, you're going to start out with a problem that may look like this. 3/6 times 2/5. And when you multiply fractions, all you do is you multiply straight across. So numerator times numerator, 3 times 2 is 6, and denominator times denominator, 6 times 5 is 30. And that's your answer. It may or may not ask you to reduce this, which we have done in earlier chapters. And if it does ask you to reduce it, you would divide the top and the bottom by their greatest common factor, which in this case would be 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the final answer, reduced to simplest form, would be 1/5. But most likely in my class and on our test for Chapter 9, you're just going to see the answer written like this, 6/30. So that's the first type of multiplying fractions that you're going to see in my class. The second type will be what we're going to be doing mostly in Chapter 9, which is multiplying whole numbers by fractions. So it would look something like 3 times 5, we'll say tenths. Now really this is just the same thing as you did above, because a whole number can be rewritten like this, 3/1 times 5/10. And then you just do numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 times 10 is 10. Now, this may be what is on your multiple choice answer for your test, but as you know, that is an improper fraction, so we will most likely have to change that into a mixed number. You do that by actually doing the division. This fraction line means to divide. So you would do 15 divided by 10 as a long division problem. 10 fits into 15 one time. 1 times 10 is 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. This is your remainder. So we have these three numbers. I always have you guys in my class circle them. And then you take these three numbers and you write them as a mixed number. The number on top is always your big number. And then your remainder is always your numerator of the fraction. And the denominator will be what it was when you started, which if we go back and look was a 10. So 1 and 5/10 would be the final answer to our problem of 3 times 5/10. So those are the types of multiplication problems you will see in our classroom in Unit 2 or Big Idea 2, all about fractions.